Yo, illustrate. It just seems like sometimes the weight of the world just weighs you down. I need to know, what do I do to get back?
If you dying to self and living life off the shelf, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Uplifting his name and embracing the change. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Your mindset's eternal and the rhymes is infernal. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pushing through the pain cause we'll never be the same. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. To follow Christ is to deny ourselves, put our own wants aside and place them behind all else, and let them go at the feet of the throne. Submit to God's will and call His presence home. Learn to use the gifts He's given to glorify Him. Learn the path to live righteous and eliminate sin. Be in the world but not of to make a difference. Be the voice against the opposition. Walk in love, speaking truth when it hurts you the most. Look beyond the moment and just cling to the hope. Carry that cross till the purpose is completed. Keep it genuine and push through like you mean it. We find life when we lose it for Him. What we thought was an end was a foundation to begin. Pick it up, we rest at a later date. I keep speaking through samples, drum loops, and 808s. If you dying to self and living life off the shelf, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Uplifting His name and embracing the change. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Your mindset's eternal and the rhymes is infernal. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pushing through the pain cause we'll never be the same. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. And if it was up to me, I'd have quit back in '96. I've had too many heartbreaks, caught up in the mix. Doors open only to get slammed in your face. Asking God why and discover more of His grace. It's a calling that's within and that burns in my soul. It's my Christ-given purpose that keeps me on a roll. A blend of hip-hop and scripture, failure and success. Pushing off defeat until my spirit is refreshed. Embrace love, so the movement's not in vain. Find the handiwork of God every time the seasons change. Been inspired by the fire, constantly refined. It's much deeper than skills, it's craftsmanship of divine proportions. And I'm staying on the course, man. Speaking of God's love, beats bouncing off the shores, man. It's my cross to carry and take it to the nations. Reach one, teach one, and touch a generation. If you dying to self and living life off the shelf, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Uplifting His name and embracing the change. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Your mindset's eternal and the rhymes is infernal. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pushing through the pain cause we'll never be the same. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Lord, forgive me for what I've done. Lately, I've been feeling down and on the run. The scars of my past keep trying to hold on. Every time I move forward, I take a step back. So where's the love? I keep getting burned left and right. Some dogs think out of mind, out of sight. Now I know what the friendship lies, but that's okay, cause I'm driven on the road to a better day. Like I said before, you can't stop the rain. I got momentum, like a lion running behind his prey. When you fall down, pick yourself up. Never lose sight of what's important, dog. From one day to another, I'm gonna shine like no other. So whatever I face, I keep a steady pace. Keep your eye on the prize, pick it up, yeah, cause you're saved by grace.
If you dying to self and living life off the shelf, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Uplifting His name and embracing the change. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Your mindset's eternal and the rhymes is infernal. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pushing through the pain cause we'll never be the same. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. If you dying to self and living life off the shelf, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Uplifting His name and embracing the change. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Your mindset's eternal and the rhymes is infernal. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pushing through the pain cause we'll never be the same. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.